What is identity theft? Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I want to talk about what is the definition of identity theft. There's the federal definition, and then there's a state definition. And the state definition has some important nuances to it. But the federal definition is identity theft is a fraud committed or attempted using the identifying information of another person. Okay, that's part of the Fair Credit Reporting Act that says that. Now, Regulation V further defines the term as a fraud committed or attempted using the identifying information of another person without authority. So they add the without authority to that part. Now, under Texas law, you can commit identity theft if you don't have or somebody uses your identity or identifying information without your consent or without your effective consent. Now, effective consent means that if somebody uses your identity to maybe buy a car or take out a lease or other transaction, take out a credit card, without your effective consent, that means that you're willingly agreeing to it. Where this comes up a lot is in domestic violence situations where an abused partner or an abusive partner will take out credit cards in the name of their partner's name without that partner's consent. That is without their effective consent, and that is a form of identity theft. Now, federal law defines identifying information as your name, your social security number, date of birth, official state or government issued ID, or driver's license, alien registration number, government passport number, employer or taxpayer identification number. Also, unique biometric data such as fingerprints, voice prints, retina or iris image, or other unique physical representations, or unique electronic identification number, address, routing code, or telecommunication identifying information or access device. It could be a SIM card, it could be your cell phone. There's lots of different ways that identity thieves can commit identity theft. Lots of things are considered your identifying information. And under federal law, if they are used without your permission or without your authority, then that can be a violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Under Texas law, if it's used without your consent or effective consent. So if it's done without your knowledge or against your will, but still in your name, that is also a form of identity theft. If you're dealing with identity theft, this can be one of the most difficult problems people have to deal with. A lot of times there's family fraud. Somebody you know or maybe even related to has committed this identity theft. It's difficult to recover from. It's difficult to handle. If you need help dealing with identity theft, give us a call. We want to help you out, help you clear this up on your credit report, and see if there's a case against the credit bureaus. See if there's something they should have done or should do under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and Texas law. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you.